got a mess here, don't we? So, welcome to Blue Biking Doors channel as we stick around in the shed, run an intro. I wasn't reading the instructions, but pretty much, yes I was, because 125 degrees angle from the third, 90 degree angle from the second, 125 degree magnet pick. Use the pick to pick 2 alcohol wipe 3M pads. Oh, that's and then before beginning, do this and do that, and then primer tape. I ain't got no primer tape. I'm just gonna roll with it. If it scratches it, scratches it. That's how I roll. Form the magnet tube strip to begin attached to the inner fairing, distributing red box, and then take 3/4 and quarter, and then you got some nuts and screws you screw in together, and then you do this and do that. Well, you got to put the screws in that because it gave you screws. You use top portion of this bracket to indicate the 125 degrees of the main bracket to orient part C to connect with part A and part /B to install is complete. The pick 2 provided in the kit continue to pull the inside corner towards you while you adjust on the opposite side of the grill until it seats properly. Intake into the intake outlet of the, and then turn it 182 degrees. If you have any information, call this number. Let's just roll with it. That's like I said. Yeah. But they gave you screws to screw it in because they probably figured the tape won't hold it, or the tape. They don't say anything about screwing, but they gave me screws anyway. Insert the tab, and then put this in. Alright, let's roll with it. You got a right and left. That's going to be the hard part, figuring out the right and left. Okay, the first step we got to do is get down on my hands and knees because this thing's low, right? Yep. Oh boy. Let me show you something. I think this thing is bad about sucking up. This one's not as bad as the 15 was about getting debris in here. And there's hardly any way to get it out other than get down here and do it this way. They told me, well, the fan blows back this way, but it still don't blow it out. And then in the fall, when it's stuff's real bad, it's real bad. Like on the 15, we went from Panama City, rode up to Pensacola, and then back to Panama City, Redneck Riviera. And she had about 100 cigarette butts in there in her 15. This one ain't been to Panama City, has it? Nope, nope, nope. Alright, here he is. Here he is. Alright, I went ahead and glued, yeah, these brackets deal. This thing's gonna be to get in. But you got a 125 degree one you put here, but it could be a 92 because unless you're supposed to push it on back, I don't know. They said come down from the straight ruler, straight down from up here where it connects and go down in and I hope I got it in the right place. Yeah, it's not a fun thing to do. So now the tape is just to hold it till you get the thing. And if you got you a 90 or a small screwdriver or something that you need one of these things. It's a right angle drill bit deal. So I'm gonna drill this and hopefully we'll do that. Get the tongue right here, got to get the tongue out and guide it so you get a good You can think about what you're doing. I don't tell you this all the time. I don't know. But look, I'm drilling. Drilling! Let's see. Get in here where you can see. And you can't see because you won't see. I can't see because you're in my way. You in my way. Where's the hole at? Yeah, I guess that's it. Going down. Woo! Where's the other one at? Right there. Woo! This drilled clean through the bottom. It didn't. Alright, let me get this one. I'm gonna screw around with it now. I made a pond. Okay. And the magnets are strong too. Cause it just sucked my thing up in there. Alright, let's see if I can need a smaller screwdriver. Screw it. Nope, I got it. There it is. See, you gotta turn. Money. And get in here to do it anyway. Well, I'm screwing it up. Alright, I got those screwed. I screwed that sucker there. Alright, you gotta make sure you got a right and a left. This is the right side. Right? No? Yeah. And their quality control, I don't know, what did they say this was made at anyway? Anyway, you see that? See that? See that? It don't come to, I gotta trim that off. Better. But now, lucky this thing ain't real stiff, because you gotta bend it, twist it, and turn it, pop it, snap it, curl it. Yeah, let's put it in. There's really no easy way to put it in. I done tried it once, and I was like, how in the world are you gonna get this in there? See? You just gotta figure it out. See? They just said stick it in there. I'm sticking it in there. Can't go that way. Gotta go this way. Yep. I had it in there a while ago. There you go. Get it up in there. Nope.
Nope. I gotta get it back, Bobby. You gotta get it around. See, that thing don't go up in there that good. And you gotta. How in the world did I get it in there a while ago? I don't know. I got all the way back and I turn it this way. No, nope. I didn't turn that away. That is far. How in the world did I do it? That's what the
little thingy here for. And now you can't see up in there, but again, and it's pushed back up in there and bent down. Oh boy, this gonna be a minute. All right, I'm gonna have to stop messing with it because I'm just gonna tear it up more. That dang, that trim around it ain't worth 2 dang cents. And then they dropped the price down $20 on it, I noticed. So, I mean, $169 for this. Yeah, I should send it back, but I already got it in there now. But I wouldn't recommend it. Unless I did something wrong, but I did it close as I can get it. You're not getting it in there without bending it somehow. Yeah, but it's in there. Hey, other side. Now, other side. Whew, just like that, I get it done. All right, if you stand back here and kind of look down and tilt your head to the side a little bit, they don't look too bad. But they are a pain to put in because you got to bend the things to get. Only way I could figure out how to bend them, and then you got to wrestle with them. Lucky I had a special tool right here so that I could get in there and give it, because that little screwdriver pick thing ain't gonna cut it. If you want some of these, I don't know. I know Pierre sells some. Pierre, the SpyderAccessory.com. He's got little spiders on them. These says RT, but you can't really see them. And you get right down in a close-up look. You see RT for rally touring, or really touring, or real trike. I don't know. But I got them in there. Yeah, it's not easy. You'll need a special 90-degree tool, drill bit deal thingy, maybe, unless you got something to fit in there. Or maybe you just can just screw them by hand. I don't know. But I wouldn't recommend. I don't know. They hard to put in. They difficult to put in. But once you get them in there, they kind of look okay. I think the finish could be better. The little rubber trim need to be glued in somehow, or even not have it on there. That gives you a little bit of cushions around it. But if it ain't glued in, I kept having to fool with it coming off. So take it as you own. What you know. If you want it, get it. If you don't, don't. They sell them in chrome and black. We went black because she don't have no chrome on hers. So yeah. Well, we'll see how long it takes for her to notice it. That gave me a blue pick. I like it. I'm going to use it. I don't like blue, do I? Oh, me. So I'm going to let you go at that. That's installing whatever grill insert from Sling Mod. I'll pass it. I wouldn't recommend. I don't know. Once you get them on there, all right. But getting them on there is a pain. Take it your own risk. Check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I don't know what we'll dig around with later. Later. Hey, it's free. Hit subscribe. Take two. Alright. You see me install them. Now let's check out that video right about there. That one there. And hit the subscribe button over here. It's free to like, share, and subscribe. We might do something interesting later.